Hello, this is Mr. Cortman. Welcome to my web quest called Design an Organism. This lesson is geared towards 7th grade life science students, and it deals with the California content standard of the structure and function in living systems, specifically number 5 of the California content standards. Number 5, the anatomy and physiology of plants and animals illustrate the complementary nature of structure and function. As a basis for understanding this concept, D, students know how the reproductive organs of the human female and male generate eggs and sperm, and how sexual activity may lead to fertilization and pregnancy. We'll be doing this in a roundabout way by seeing what else is out there, what other reproductive strategies different than that of humans are in the wild. Students will be playing the part of a designer of an imagined organism. You will design its reproductive system and describe the environmental conditions in which this organism evolved. You'll first answer these essential questions from an evolutionary point of view using the websites available. So for example, we'll open up this one. Here's a real cool one. Non-mammalian reproductive strategies. You will explore these websites in order to answer the essential questions. Here's another cool website. This one describes unusual reproductive strategies in the wild, including jellies. After completing the web quest and answering the essential questions, students will break into groups of 2 to 3 people. Each group will be in charge of designing an organism and explaining the environmental conditions that gave rise to the organism. And you could take inspiration from what you've learned in the web quest. And for example, here are some examples from nature. Frogs. Plants are really exciting, but their reproduction takes a long time. This pollen tube in some plants takes a year to grow. It's like a year-long sexual event. Here's parameciums, exchanging genetic material. A male seahorse giving birth to young, and 2 different pictures of slugs having sex. They are both hermaphroditic and choose their sex at the beginning of the sexual event and wrap themselves around like that. Many examples of unusual reproductive strategies in nature. A rough design will be evaluated by older biology students, and there'll be a chance to modify the design based on the older students' critiques. And then the design and the web quest will be evaluated according to this rubric. Based on information gathering, creativity, design, and scientific knowledge. Maturity is also crucial to the success of this project. After this project, students can will be able to contemplate the situation of the Deloid rotifers who reproduce asexually and still manage to speciate. Thanks a lot. That's my project.